So what exactly is Spocket? In simple terms, Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with thousands of high-quality products from suppliers primarily based in the US and Europe. This is a crucial distinction. Unlike many other dropshipping platforms that often source from far-flung locations with notoriously long shipping times, Spocket prioritizes faster delivery. This means happier customers and fewer headaches for you. Think of it as your virtual warehouse, stocked with trendy, in-demand products, all managed by someone else. You don't buy the product until your customer buys it from you. You don't touch the product, package it, or ship it. Your only job is to market and sell. Now, why is Spocket particularly well-suited for a side hustle? First, the low barrier to entry. You don't need a massive investment to get started. You can begin with a relatively small subscription fee and only pay for products once they've been sold. This drastically reduces your financial risk. Second, the time commitment is flexible. You can dedicate as little or as much time as you have. Whether it's an hour in the evening, a few hours on the weekend, or even just during your lunch break, you can manage your Spocket store. Third, the inventory headache is eliminated. No more tying up capital in products that might not sell. No more overflowing garage or spare room. Spocket handles all the inventory management, keeping your life clutter-free and your mind at ease. Fourth, the quality of products. Spocket emphasizes high-quality products, which is essential for building a reputable brand and fostering customer loyalty. This isn't about selling cheap, throwaway items. It's about offering value. And finally, the automation. Once your store is set up, many of the processes, from order fulfillment to tracking, can be automated, freeing up your time to focus on marketing and growing your business. So, you're convinced Spocket is the way to go. How do you actually get started? It breaks down into a few key steps. Step 1. Choose your niche. This is arguably the most important foundational step. Don't just pick something you think might sell. Pick something you're genuinely interested in, something you have some knowledge about, or something you see a clear demand for. Are you passionate about sustainable living? Explore eco-friendly products. Are you a fitness enthusiast? Look into activewear or home gym equipment. Your passion will fuel your marketing efforts and make the entire process more enjoyable. Research trending products, identify gaps in the market, and understand your potential customer base. Tools like Google Trends, TikTok Trends, and even Amazon bestsellers can give you valuable insights. The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to target your audience and stand out from the competition. Step 2. Set up your online store. While Spocket integrates seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms, the most popular and user-friendly options are Shopify and WooCommerce. If you're completely new to e-commerce, Shopify is often recommended due to its intuitive interface, vast app store, and excellent customer support. It's a paid service, but the investment is well worth it for the features and ease of use. WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress, offering more customization but requiring a bit more technical know-how. Whichever platform you choose, set up your store with a clean, professional design. Focus on clear navigation, high-quality product images, and compelling product descriptions. Remember, your store is your storefront. Make it inviting and trustworthy. Step 3. Connect Spocket to your store and find products. Once your store is live, it's time to integrate Spocket. This is a straightforward process within your chosen e-commerce platform. Once connected, the real fun begins. Browse the Spocket marketplace. Use the filters to narrow down your search by product category, shipping location, price range, and even shipping time. Prioritize products with e-packet or local shipping options for faster delivery. Look for products with high-quality images and detailed descriptions provided by the suppliers. Don't just pick any product. Curate your selection carefully. Think about how each product fits within your niche and complements your overall store aesthetic. Step 4. Import products and optimize your listings. Once you've found products you want to sell, importing them to your store is usually a one-click process. However, this is where many beginners make a mistake. Don't just import the supplier's description verbatim. Take the time to rewrite it. Make it unique, engaging, and benefit-oriented. Focus on what the product does for the customer, not just what it is. Use strong keywords that your target audience might search for. Optimize your product titles and descriptions for search engines, SEO. This will help potential customers find your products organically. Also, make sure your pricing is competitive but also allows for a healthy profit margin. Spocket has a pricing markup feature that can help you with this. Step 5. Drive traffic to your store. Your beautiful store and amazing products won't do much good if no one sees them. This is where marketing comes in. As a side hustle, focus on cost-effective and time-efficient strategies. Social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest are visual goldmines for e-commerce. Create engaging content showcasing your products, use relevant hashtags, and interact with your audience. Consider running small, targeted ad campaigns if your budget allows. Search engine optimization, SEO, as mentioned in Step 4. Optimizing your product titles and descriptions for keywords is crucial. Email marketing. Start building an email list from day one. Offer a discount or a free guide in exchange for an email address. Use email to announce new products, sales, and special offers. Influencer marketing. Micro-influencers collaborate with smaller influencers in your niche. They often have highly engaged audiences and are more affordable than macro-influencers. Step 6. Manage orders and provide excellent customer service. When an order comes in, the process is largely automated with Spocket. You simply confirm the order, and the supplier handles the packaging and shipping. However, your role in customer service is paramount. Respond to inquiries promptly, professionally, and empathetically. Provide clear communication about shipping times and tracking information. Happy customers are repeat customers and your best form of marketing. Go the extra mile. A simple thank you note or a small discount for their next purchase can make a huge difference in building customer loyalty. Step 7. Analyze and optimize. This is an ongoing process. Regularly check your sales data. What products are selling well? What aren't? Which marketing channels are performing best? Use this data to refine your product selection, adjust your pricing, and optimize your marketing strategies. Spocket and your e-commerce platform will provide you with analytics that can help you understand your business's performance. Don't be afraid to experiment and adapt. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, and staying agile is key to long-term success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.